Ow. Okay, got a quick, easy video for you today. First of all, I apologize about someone mowing their lawn. It's pretty much, I guess, summertime now, at least it feels like it, and it's just never ending because you live in a neighborhood. Anyways, I have a crack right here in my taillight. So I'm going to show you how to switch out the taillight, and the process is the same just in case you have a burnt out taillight bulb. This is what you're going to do. The only thing you're going to need tool wise is a small-ish flathead and a, where are you? The Phillips head. That's it. First of all, flathead screwdriver. At the top, these little tabs, push in, push down. I'll pop open. Push down. Pop open. And take your Phillips. Take out the two screws that are in here. Alright, those are out. Don't lose those. Now this is the hardest part of doing this whole thing. There are, on this side of the taillight, two metal prongs that go into kind of like some rubber grommets to hold it in. So it just kind of gets wedged, so you just kind of take the lights, grab it on both sides and wiggle it until it comes out. Make sure you don't pull too hard that it goes flying. Pull the light out like this. Let me see, can you see? Alright, and then you have four little plugs. All you do is just untwist them. They pop right out. Right, so this is all you need to do to change the light bulb. You would just go whatever the part number is for the light bulb you need, pop that right out, replace it and put it back in. Since I have to replace this light itself, I just got a replacement off of eBay. And you just take and put back in the plugs where you unplug them from. And that's it. Then there's a little hook right back here. You just kind of hook the wires underneath them to keep them wrangled up so they don't get pinched. Slide it back in place. And you put your screws in and you're done. Now, if for whatever reason you have a short or something in this wiring harness, this light came with a replacement one. This plug here, as you can see, is a rubber grommet right there. You would just take out a couple push pins inside the interior panel here in the trunk, and this plug is right there on the other side. So you unplug that, pop out the grommet, pull it out, and you just slide the new whole harness back in there. All right, so quick and easy, and that's how you do it. See you guys next time.